if you are planning to buy new desktop PC in 2026 and you are running like Intel 13 generation or 14 generation, then you should wait because Intel is in the middle of platform shift. Their next generation architectural change is in the way. Finally, they are coming with 18A process that they announced few years ago. And till now, I think the current generation Ultra series processor, they literally do not offer any performance gain when compared to 14th generation of Intel Core processor. So this is the reason why I am saying if you can wait, then wait for this Nova Lake series of processor. As early leaks suggest, there are going to be a significant jump in terms of performance. It is also expected that we're going to see entirely new socket, and this time it will be LGA1954, meaning that you're going to see entirely new motherboard. Your existing motherboard cannot support this Nova Lake CPU. Intel is also rumored to bring the big last level cache, or we can call it L2 cache, just like the way we see in case of AMD. And if we talk about how the whole architecture going to be, well, we're going to see again, the big little architecture that we keep on seeing, whether the current generation of Ultra Lake. And if we talk about how the process nodes or core will be, well, the rumors again strongly suggest we're going to see similar kind of a big little architecture that we keep on seeing, where there will be performance cores known as P cores, and then there will be efficiency cores known as E cores. And the good thing here will be the number of cores that you're going to see may cross even 50 marks. Yes, you heard it right. There could be the top tier processor that may comes with, let's say, 52 number of cores. But still, I would consider you to take this as a grain of salt because more spec and information yet to be revealed soon. But as a consumer, I think it will be a great generational jump, as the lithography here Intel going to use is 18A, and as we know, smaller the transistor size is, better the processor efficiency, and more the number of transistor Intel can pack. And this, as per the leaked spec, we are not only seeing in case of CPU compute, but also in case of NPU. You're also going to see huge jump in the TOPS value, ranging around 75 to 76 compared to 48 to 50 in our existing Ultra series of processor. So what does this mean? This means that you're going to see performance uplift in AI tasks. So this is the reason why I was saying to hold your horses and let's wait for late 2026, which I believe will be the launch time of these Intel new CPU. And I am asking to wait for those users, as I said, who already have system. So if you need to build it, then we do not have any option to wait, we need to buy it. But if you can wait, then probably, it is better to wait for next 6 months, as generally most of us build desktop once in several years. And if you really want performance as well as efficiency uplift, then you may probably consider AMD processor as of today. And again, based on your budget, I'm gonna put the link of these processors from existing series in the description of this video. From there you can check this out. And that's also wrap up this video on initial and early leak about Nova Lake. What do you think about this new series of processor? Are you expecting huge performance jump or huge efficiency jump? Please do let us know in comment down below, and we will also try to share more information and insight as we also receive more update, and I will try to respond to your comment as soon as possible. And also, as more and reliable information about this Nova Lake will come, we will be covering that in Nigitech. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.